Stop. If you're thinking about buying BookFlipper AI, there's something you need to know first. This isn't just another AI book writer. It's the world's first complete Amazon book empire builder that finds profitable niches, writes full manuscripts, designs covers, formats everything to KDP standards, and even auto-publishes, all in under 10 minutes. So here's the big question. Is BookFlipper AI really the future of Amazon publishing, or just another overhyped launch? In this review, I'll show you exactly what BookFlipper AI is, how it works, who it's for, the pros and cons, and whether it's actually worth buying. Plus, if you decide to grab BookFlipper AI through my link below this video, you'll also get my exclusive bonus package worth $5.99 absolutely free. What is BookFlipper AI? It's a complete AI publishing system that builds your entire Amazon KDP portfolio from one dashboard. Finds profitable niches with real sales data, analyzes competitor reviews to identify gaps, writes complete manuscripts automatically, designs genre-matched covers in seconds, formats books to Amazon's exact specifications, publishes Kindle, paperback, and hardcover editions, and includes commercial license and portfolio dashboard. Benefits. Why people are interested. Automation. Publish complete books in under 10 minutes. Niche discovery. Real data, not guesswork. Portfolio growth. Build permanent income assets that compound. Commercial license. Keep 100% of royalties. Inside, BookFlipper AI you're getting AI niche discovery engine, competition and gap analysis machine, full manuscript generator, AI cover design suite, Amazon-ready formatting engine, keyword and category optimization system, multi-format publishing, Kindle, paperback, hardcover, auto-publish scheduler, portfolio income dashboard, commercial license included, and 30-day money-back guarantee. Honest pros and cons. Now let's talk honestly. Pros. Complete publishing system, not just a writing tool. Beginner-friendly, no technical skills required, unlimited books, unlimited niches, and commercial license for royalties and client work. Cons. No guaranteed income. Results depend on niche and consistency. Marketing and patience still required for royalties to compound. Results. What to expect. Expect to publish books that earn royalties month after month while building a portfolio of permanent income assets. Authors. Publish faster and scale catalogs. Entrepreneurs. Build faceless publishing businesses under pen names. Retirees. Create passive income streams without technical skills. BookFlipper. AI turns every book into a digital rental property that keeps paying you month after month, year after year. Now here are my exclusive bonuses if you grab BookFlipper AI through the link below. Bonus 1, DFY Niche Prompt Pack. Value, $299. 500 plus ready-made prompts to instantly generate profitable book ideas. Bonus 2, Amazon Publishing Blueprint. Value, $300. Step-by-step guide to monetize your portfolio and scale into a full publishing business. Total bonus value, $599. Yours free when you get BookFlipper AI through my link today. So, is BookFlipper AI worth it? If you want to publish books without research, writing, or formatting headaches, then yes, BookFlipper AI is absolutely worth it. Click the first link in the description to secure BookFlipper AI, plus my $599 bonus package today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.